Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush cap from the motor. I'll use a screwdriver to unscrew the brush cap. With the cap removed, now I can remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush. I'll insert it into the holder and align the ears on the top of the brush wire with the brush holders. I'll compress the spring back into the brush holder while aligning the ears with the holder. And now I can reinstall the brush cap. I'll place it over the brush and on the holder, and I like to rotate it counterclockwise until I feel the threads engaged with the brush holder. Then I'll carefully tighten the brush cap, making sure I don't over-tighten it. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And that's how easy it is to install a new carbon brush set on your tile saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.